What is up, guys? Today we will be having some fun on 1v1s. So yeah, let's get inside the video. Let's click these 1v. Let's click 1v1s. Well, I'm in a different. They speak different languages, huh? Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think we're gonna go with construction. Yep, we're going on construction because they voted first. Let's go. I know what's about to happen. I'm just going to be absolutely cooked on this mobile player because all mobile players can easily cook you. Oh, he is cooking me right now. I knew it. All mobile players basically are like that. Get him! Let's go, we got him, we got him, we got him. Oopsies! Oh, yes, a knife. Bro, this is gonna be intense. I got him. Let's go. Wombo combo, man. Wombo combo. Holy smokes, I'm inside the fire. No, I fell again. You're joking. Can't just be falling every single time, man. I didn't know I was gonna fall. Oh, he didn't get me. Oh, he fell for once. Finally, for once, he fell. Nice. I'm so cooked. Like, literally, I'm cooked. No joke, I am really cooked. Let's go! I juked him. Let's go. And, ah! Let's change up the strategy. Let's katana. Oh my gosh. GG. I'm wrecked. You're a shred. I'm not a shred, buddy. I'm just good. Hey, that's our first 1v1. No, I couldn't get the gift. Also, guys, if you want more videos just like this, then all you gotta do is just press that like and subscribe button. And we're fighting RCU Killer. Imagine to level 21. I would go crazy. It's a low level. Why am I going against a low level? I shouldn't be going against a low level. I'm usually level 190. I don't know what happened to the rivals matchmaking, but it's just not working. In my opinion, it's not working. But in some others, it's working. Maybe the matchmaking is about how skilled you are, and I know I'm not trash, but that other dude just called me a shred. Right here, this guy, he's like, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna need to pull out. Oh my gosh. Just can't be letting that happen, man. Sorry. How do I miss every single shot? Let's go, we got him for once. This guy considered pay to win. Has he already given up? Said U, can I get a skin? Sorry dude, I don't have Robux. I thought he was gonna say I'm pay to win. Like everyone. Oh, I got him with the Molotov, but I died. Okay, let me try to finish this guy off. Okay, got him with the knife, got him with the knife, got him with the knife, got him with the knife. Got him with the knife again, let's go. Okay, that's our second match. That's our second match. Oh my gosh, I keep on missing the game. Even though I have 191, I'm pretty sure of it. Something. I have lots of those because I've been grinding. Let's see what level. Oh my god. Okay, now it makes sense. Now I'm getting some very good players. Fine, you can go on the docks. You can go on docks, buddy. I might use. I have no sound, so I'm cooked. Because I have no. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, man! It's actually like freaking insane. I don't know. I know how to snipe. Never mind, bro. I can definitely say that mobile is OP. I'm gonna need to use my knife. I need to backstab him. Oh, let's go. We backstab him. Let's go. Let's go. I was like so shocked as soon as I see a mobile. Because mobiles are basically just OP. Got him for 36. Trying to kill him, but it's basically impossible. It's a mobile who can absolutely one-shot you, so you already know you're cooked. See? I can't use my knife. I'm going to need to use a sniper and katana so I can actually have a chance.